Stop losing money trading Bitcoin. You can easily set up a systematic trading strategy that profits from the big swings in Bitcoin futures, a strategy that's behind this beautiful cumulative profit line. For this strategy of the month video, we're going to go through a great Bitcoin trading strategy that's been working really well in real time, but I still have a few issues with. November 2023 strategy of the month, Bitcoin. Let's get into it. Hi everyone, it's Dave Whitcomb from Peak Trading Research, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, we are the only YouTube channel that shares real, fully coded, systematic trading strategies month after month that you can automate in a trading platform like TradeStation or MultiCharts, so you can trade real futures contracts alongside the world's most profitable quantitative hedge funds. And this is our 25th consecutive strategy of the month video, meaning we've been doing this now for more than 2 years, but it is our first time going through a Bitcoin strategy. And you know the drill, as we always do with these strategy of the month videos. We'll go through the full system code logic, we'll confirm visually how the system works on a chart, and then we'll go through some profit statistics to see how this Bitcoin trading system has performed historically. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump right to the fun stuff and look at the full system code. If we jump into the TradeStation trading platform, here is the full system code logic written in the easy language coding language, how this system works. If the close is less than or equal to the closing price 2 bars ago, but also greater than the average of the past 5 closing prices 4 bars ago, then buy the next bar at close plus this range on a stop, and vice versa. The system will sell short under the opposite conditions. This strategy also has a protect profit ratio exit, so if the maximum profit on the current open position is greater than or equal to this specified protect threshold, in this case $1,500, and the open position profit is less than 50%, it will either sell the position if long, or it will buy to cover the position if short on the next bar's open. There are also a set of filters before both the buying entry and a set of filters before the selling short entry, but overall this is a fairly straightforward trading system. For example, if prices are temporarily setting back in the context of an overall uptrend, the system will look to buy breaks higher. Vice versa, the system will try to sell short under the opposite conditions. And if this trading system has made a little bit of money on an open position, in this case $1,500 per contract, this system will try to protect those profits if this open position profit starts dropping. And of course, one of the big advantages of this being a systematic trading strategy is that we can add this strategy to a Bitcoin 90-minute chart. We simply go to studies, add the strategy in here, and we can see how the system performs on a chart. There's a really good example recently of how this system works. This system is trying to buy breakouts when we see a short-term setback in the context of a longer-term uptrend. And if we bring up a strategy performance report, there it is. There is our nice upward sloping cumulative profit line. This system has consistently made money trading Bitcoin futures on 90-minute bars since late 2017. We don't have a full decade plus history for the Bitcoin contract. It was rolled out in late 2017, but this performance report is pretty impressive. Total net profit $577,000 per single contract contracts per single Bitcoin futures contract traded, 2.96 profit factor, pretty even on both sides. This system makes money both on the long side and on the short side with a max intraday peak to valley drawdown $58,000 and trade close to trade close drawdown of only $22,000. And again, a nice upward sloping equity curve with very few drawdowns along the way, and including, most importantly, always including those realistic costs of slippage and commissions. In this case, $50 per contract. So a pretty chunky position slippage assumption, but this system, again, still works pretty well overall, has that nice upward sloping equity curve. Now, what do I really like about this trading system? First and foremost, it's pretty straightforward, right? We can explain it in one sentence. The system is looking to buy breakouts when there's a small setback in the context of an overall uptrend. That's not an overly complicated concept. I also really like that equity curve, and I like that it includes some pretty aggressive slippage assumptions, right? We're not just using $10 or $15 or $20 of slippage like we would with corn or wheat or soybeans. We're using $50 of slippage, which it is a big contract, but we're using a reasonable slippage assumption. And finally, in general, I just like the idea of trading systems in markets where there might not be a lot of other systematic traders. You might genuinely have an edge in trading Bitcoin futures simply because the contract has only been around since December 2017. This isn't the S&P or bond indices or most futures markets that have been around for decades. Now, what do I not like about this trading system? What do I have an issue with? First of all, it feels a little bit over optimized. When I look at the code and I see that value that uses the average of the close of the last 5 bars, but set back 4 bars ago, that looks a little bit over optimized. Now, on the flip side of that, this system, even if it is over optimized, has been performing really well in real time. So it clearly has some edge. It just booked 6 consecutive profitable trades leading up here to the end of October. Another reason I'm not a big fan of trading Bitcoin futures is just because it's a huge contract. It represents 5 Bitcoins. So the maintenance margin for trading one futures contract is about $40,000. Now, you need to ask yourself, would you be better off trading 5 different trading systems in corn, wheat, beans, bean oil, feeder cattle, all of which have some correlation benefits, instead of trading one Bitcoin system like this that's going to take up a lot of your margin? And the final reason that I have issue with this trading system is because I am a long-term holder. I've got my Ledger cold storage wallet. I believe in the long-term Bitcoin story. The halving is coming up. I believe in the Bitcoin rainbow. I just think there's a lot of upside to this market. I don't need an additional trading system to add more Bitcoin exposure, just like I don't trade a lot of equity systems because I'm already naturally long equities via IRAs and 401ks. I don't need to double down. Let me know in the comments below, what do you like about this trading system? Would you turn this system on a full Bitcoin contract? Would you rather trade a micro contract? Do you believe in the Bitcoin rainbow? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below for more great trading systems every month from Peak Trading Research. Good luck trading that big Bitcoin contract, and we'll see you soon.